So it's been a while since I last chased some bass, so I thought I'd get back into it with the new season. The funny thing is that bass fishing was actually the first time I actually chased anything with a lure. Fast forward many years later and I haven't looked back and still enjoy it just the same as I first started. Here I'm using a 1/4 ounce Z-Man chatterbait in black. It's actually my first time using a chatterbait, and so far I really like the action that it gives and the distance I get on it casting with my bait caster. I'm going to give it a go and see if I can get anything on it. If not, I will change it to something else and hopefully land my first bass for the new season.
Hours later.
Oh, finally! Yes! Finally! Yes! Finally one! Got one! Yes! Oh my gosh! That was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. Oh, finally. Jeez. Man. Yes. Look at that. This guy's fat. Take a photo. Got him on one of these homemade buzz baits I made. So I had a friend, an old friend that helped me make this actually, and he had this thing with the these little clackers. Gave it an extra sound, so yeah, I always use them, and one of my most used lures for bass actually. So yeah, very happy with that. Okay, here we go again. Let's get back in the water. Yes.
1 hour later.
Yes. Ooh, second one. Yes. Got him on the an old classic, a bet spin. So basically that's a it's like a little jig spin with a little metal blade here, and it spins and vibrates, and then you add a little plastic. So yeah, very happy with that.